Hey, if you're like me, sometimes you need to store stuff up in the attic and it's hard to get it up there. So what I decided to do was install an attic winch like I had in my old garage, and I put it up in the rafters so that I could put stuff up in my loft. I'm going to show you how in this video. You can. It's right. Oh!
Daddy, this.
Tape up here real quick. So here's how it's attached. Just bolted through there. These are grade 8 3/8 16 bolts. This is a stainless steel tube. I put these little bolts and nuts on there so that it doesn't slide out. And this thing can support a few 100 pounds. I've actually used it to lift an engine before. I did it in the old garage. I'm not going to do that again. I just want to lift, like, you know, awkward bulky stuff that's maybe 120 pounds or less or so. Or a small child. You ready, sir?
Yeah. Wait. Ready.
Remember, it's going to make you swing a little bit.
Yeah.
Here, walk over a little closer to the table saw. You okay?
Oh, that was so scary. That was the highest I ever went. Yeah, this is
No. Well, you try again. This is the last time, okay?
Okay.
You got it?
Yeah. Okay, that's good. Oh, that was scary. I figured it out.
Good job. Keep coming. All right, that's good.
Our new house is amazing.
I was smart enough to do it.
You were. And you are. Hold on.
Oops, sorry.
All right. Bring them up.
When you're ready for Chipotle, the Chipotle app is ready for you. Get all your favorites.
Hey, you're awesome. You really hung in there, didn't you? If you want to see the next project, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications button. Hey, if you want to see any other types of projects, say so in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you want to support the channel, it's super easy and it's free. Just hit that like button. The YouTube algorithm likes that. Thanks for watching. Stay rad and go start your next project.